this is Martin, your hemorrhoid expert. Today I'm going to talk to you about this ingredient called coconut oil. If you're wondering if you should use coconut oil for your hemorrhoids, I am going to help you out with that. Now, coconut oil works as a protectant. It basically coats your skin and it will help moisturize and smooth your skin. So often people ask, well, will coconut oil work for hemorrhoids? And I'm going to tell you that yes, coconut oil can work for hemorrhoids. There are other options for hemorrhoids and other treatments that I think are better for hemorrhoids. But if you're dead set on using coconut oil for your hemorrhoids, you can use that. I wouldn't, just rely on coconut oil because it's not intended to get rid of your hemorrhoids, and it really isn't intended for hemorrhoids. If you look through a lot of the over-the-counter hemorrhoid medicines or treatments, you're not going to find coconut oil in it. Even some of the natural products, the natural suppositories and things of that nature don't have coconut oil in it, and it's for a reason. With that being said, it can work as a protectant. You'll find other protectants like Glycerine or Petrolatum in a lot of the common OTC ointments and suppositories. So you could absolutely use coconut oil. I would use other things as well. Taking a look at this suppository, it's from Boiron. It's called Avanac, and this has homeopathic medicine. This is a really good product if you're looking for something that has natural ingredients. This is actually horse chestnut right here. That is witch hazel. So these are really, really good ingredients for hemorrhoids. Once again, this is called Avanac from Boiron. This is on Amazon for $13. Another product that has all natural ingredients is Hemorrhoid Plus. This is also on Amazon. This is a supplement you take orally. And once again, this one also has horse chestnut and witch hazel right here, as you can see. And so like I was saying, with this Boiron Avanac, this is actually horse chestnut, and that's witch hazel. So guys, you can use coconut oil for hemorrhoids if you want. I would recommend pairing it with a hemorrhoid supplement like Hemorrhoid Plus, and possibly using a hemorrhoid suppository like Boiron Avanac. You could also use Preparation H hemorrhoid suppository, but I would probably pair it up with those. You can use it, but it's probably not your best option for hemorrhoids. With that being said, before you use any product, make sure you speak with a doctor and make sure that the products are right for you to use. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my little video on coconut oil for hemorrhoids. If you have any questions, comment below. Please make sure to like the video and share it with your friends.